Decided to jump into a creek today. This creek, over the years, along the sides, has produced some pretty good relics, both Union and Confederate. I found a few relics down in here years ago. It's the first time I've been back in it in quite a while. Unfortunately, there's been a landslide just upstream a little bit that's dammed off the creek and created a big pool in the most productive area. But I'll work the parts of it that I can and see if I can pull anything today. Okay, a little bit out of breath. When I spotted this a little while ago, I realized that I didn't have my camera. So I have just finished a very long trek back downstream where I came from to get the camera before I even expose this bottle to see if it's complete or exactly what it is. All I've gotten otherwise is some trash. But let me go ahead and pull out this bottle, see if it's whole, see if it's old. I don't know. Well, all that for not much. Looks like a old 7-Up bottle. Well, I've moved on down the creek to where it intersects with the river. Things wash out of the bank of the river here, and I'm along the side of it, and there's a 3-ringer lying right here on top. Looks to be a drop in good shape. Okay, just a couple steps further on, don't know what I've got. It was giving me a good signal, and I've gotten whatever it is out of the ground, so I'm gonna record this just on the chance that it is something good. Came in about like a 3-ringer, so let's see. Yeah, I don't know. And there it is. Looks like a little pistol ball. Okay, very near where I just dug that pistol ball. I've got something in the hole here. I'm not seeing it, but it's right here, so let's see. Gotta be in this. Yep. I think it's just a piece of lead. First I thought it was a button, but it's not. This was playing really hard to find. This area over the years has produced some nice old coins, lots of war relics. Don't really know what I've got here. It looks like it may be a button, and that's what it's going to be, I think. Just well, not really sure. It's brass. Maybe an underwear button. Yeah, that's all this is an underwear button. Find them a lot more period camps. Other than this, I've dug some pieces of melted lead, and a little piece of brass could be part of a trigger guard. But that's been about it since I got the round little pistol ball and the mini ball. And next up is another little pistol ball. A garfish that didn't make it. Starting to smell pretty good too. Yeah, this was giving me a really good signal, nice and clear. Came out of the side over here, and looks like it's just a little flat button, shank missing. Well, I'm on my way out. I am whipped. But for the last couple of weeks around here, it has sounded like there's a motor or something high-pitched running 24/7. What it is we have these 13-year locusts or cicadas, and they're different than the big green ones. They're, as you can see, they've got little orange eyes, and these guys make a racket. They appear to be dying off. They're laying dead all over the place around here right now. Though if you listen, you can hear them calling and roaring. I'll be glad when these guys are gone. Won't be seeing them for a while after that. And we also have these guys. This is a Copperhead. Guess he's down here hunting. I don't guess he realizes that I see him. He's just sitting there right now. Oh man, he's ready to bite. Look at that. I think I'll leave him alone and get out of here.